Does back pain mean there's always something wrong with your spine? Well, not always, but it's often connected, and figuring out what's causing your pain is one of the first steps to actually fixing it. Back pain can show up differently for different people. Sharp pain, well, that might mean nerve inflammation. If you have a dull ache, maybe it's some muscle compensating for the problem. Tingling or numbness, well, you might have a compressed nerve somewhere. So the type and location of your pain, it can reveal a lot about what's going on. So ask yourself, is your pain sharp? Is it dull? Is it tingling? Does it stick to one place or does it move around? Has it been there for 6 months or more? Well, if it has, that means that it's more of a chronic pain. And trust me, you're not alone, because millions and millions of people deal with that on a daily basis. So where does it come from? Well, one common cause in place is from injuries. Whether it's a car accident, where it's a fall or injury, a sports injury, even minor collisions, or what are considered minor collisions, can cause this. It can distort the spine, can irritate the nerves and lead to pain and even discomfort and pain and numbness, tingling in places that the injury didn't even occur. But it's not just injuries or these acute impacts or these acute problems. It's our lifestyles. They play a huge role in what happens. So you could have an active lifestyle, maybe running, lifting weights, repetitive bending, twisting, and lifting, intense activities that you do on a daily basis, especially if they're in a poor posture. That can strain the spine over a gradual period of time. And even if you're sitting at a desk or on your technology, at a computer, on the couch, in these poor postures, that's not doing your spine and your back any favors either. But here's the good news. Spinal correction techniques can help realign your body, ease the pain, and get you moving comfortably again. So this can happen whether your pain started after an accident or from years of being active or being inactive and sedentary. So take pain as a signal to dig deeper and address what's wrong and get your body back on track. I created a spinal hygiene mini class that you can download. Check the description for the link, and also be your own guarantee for your health and your life.